Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna make very tastiest cream for the tart, which is gonna be, it's like a custard. You can use this cream for pies. You can use it for eclair, which is cream puffs they call, or as a custard you can eat. It's very, very tasty. So what we need is, we need milk. Let's put the fire on. I'm gonna use, let me say, I'm not sure how many cups do I have here, but I will tell you. Let's do 1, 2, 3. I guess we have 4 cups of milk, which is nice. There you go. We have 4 cups of milk. We need 1 egg, which is only we need the yolk, which I'm gonna separate the yolk from the white. There you go. And what we need is, we need cornstarch, which over here that you see, I'm gonna take a little bit powdered sugar too. Now that we're gonna put this on a pie, which I have on my other channel, I made the pie. I'm gonna put over here couple tablespoons, not too much, couple tablespoons of sugar, and mix it like this, and maybe a couple drop of milk I will put. I'm going to take the milk from here just to make it loosen it up. We're gonna mix it just like this. Let's add a couple more tablespoons. We need the yolk, the sugar, they all have to come out. There you go. And then we need a couple tablespoons of, so you can put on, for each cup you can put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So we have 4 cups of milk, and here it is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch we're gonna put. There you go. Like I said, I always do everything by measurement, but I think this will be very, very good. Now I'm going to take a little bit more milk. Make sure that it's not so hot, because you don't want to make your cornstarch lumpy. We just have to mix this, and you will see how it's liquidy it turns. It has a little sugar, a little bit cornstarch. We're going to add a couple more tablespoons. There you go. And we'll mix it. Now it's getting easier. Now when you put in the milk, you have to put this, while you're pouring in the milk, you have to mix it, so it doesn't get any lump or anything like that. You can put in a little bit bigger plate, which I put in a little bit small dish. All right, I'm going to take the milk, the tablespoon up. I can a little bit raise it, and I will pour and mix it at the same time. I'm going to take some more so I can clean the dish. There we go. Make sure that you will mix this constantly. You can raise the fire on the stove, not too high. And we have to mix this until we'll see it's getting thickened. It will thicken it up very, very fast. So maybe it will take about 4 to 5 minutes. I will put the timer. Let's see. But doesn't matter. When you see starts boiling, it means it's getting thickened. So Well, I'm gonna mix this, and when it gets thicker, I will show you. All right. All right, now it's ready. It took exactly 4 minutes. Like you see over here, how creamy it is. This is the way it will be. And when we put it in the refrigerator, it gets even concentrated more. Like it gets a little bit thicker when it gets colder. So this is, you can eat like this. You can put on a pie, or you can put in eclair. So you can do that. In case if you make it yourself and it doesn't hold, you can always add cornstarch. But this is the measurement, it's perfect. Now that we did that, we're gonna put a little bit vanilla. You can put liquid vanilla 2 teaspoons or 1/4 spoon, just to give a little bit taste and a smell. Mix it well. Now this is the way it's perfect, but if you have whipping cream, you can put about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. It makes it kind of smoother. There you go. That's it. You don't have to put too much. It will give very, very, very good taste. Let's put here while the thing is hot. All right, now we're gonna cover this and we're gonna let it cool, or we can just put this direct on a pie, but I'm gonna leave this just for 5 minutes to cool off. I'm gonna just let 5 minutes to cool off. I don't have to put in refrigerator. Once it's cool off, I'm gonna put on a pie shell. All right, we're gonna be back after 5 minutes. All right, now this is the cream that you see, we made it. I wanna tell you, that's nice. I didn't put it in refrigerator, I just let it cool a little bit. Now, on my other channel, on my videos, let's turn this off. Always something baking in my oven. There you go. There is another video that I make this pie that I'm going to use this cream for this pie. But before I do that, I want to show you that another video I have that I made an apricot compote, which I always save the jars. And some of the compote I'm going to do as a on the pie. I want to put it. Now this cream doesn't have any sugar in it. You saw me, I just put 2 tablespoons of sugar. So in case if you want, you can always add in the egg. But because we put here in my pie crust, because I put sugar, I don't want to fill it with sugar and we have to put fruit on it. So we want to taste the fruit and the pie and everything. We don't want just eat sugar. So now it's a little cool, the pie, the cream. I'm going to put on it. This is very, very delicious cream it is. The cream, we have to fill it like this way. Phil, don't be afraid. And then when it stays in a refrigerator, it's gonna set, of course. Now I want to say that I said apricot by mistake. It's a loquat that I have a video. It's not an apricot. You can just eat this cream just like this. All right, now the apricot that we made the compote, you just let the liquid go down and then you take them and you decorate them. Loquat, apricot, they both look the same, taste the same. It doesn't taste the same, but they look like they are apricot. They are nice and juicy. You can decorate like this. And I have to say, I'm not only going to put loquats on it, and I'm going to put some my mulberries from my tree that I picked them up. I'm just gonna fill it like that way. So the family, the company, the kids, everybody will enjoy it. I think if you let the liquid run a little bit more, it's fine, but it doesn't matter. So just decorate the way you want it. It looks so delicious. Now that while I have the berries, I want that to look beautiful, and everybody loves berries. I'm just gonna stuff it with berries, and guess what? They all gonna love it. And these berries, I have to say, some of them that a little bit not ripe on purpose, like you see the red one, and some of them are like almost like there is very little red. It kind of will give a little bit sour taste, like it will be sweet and sour, very, very delicious. Now, who doesn't want to eat delicious pies like this? You can even add between the ends, between the loquats. They look like apricot. They are so big that's why I feel like I'm gonna say apricots. So here's delicious loquats pie, and here you can enjoy. Let's fill it more. And sometimes what you can do, you can crush the berries, and you can mix in it, part of it, and then you can put under, and it will give beautiful color and a good taste at the same time. It's already tasty the way it is. Here it is, delicious pie that you can offer your guests, your family. Very simple, very easy. This is a cream recipe at this video, and the pie crust, you have it, you will see it on my another videos. And loquats, what they call loquats compote, you will see on another video. So everything is homemade. It's very simple, very easy. It's always good to eat homemade things from your garden if you have, or you can buy it, you can make it. And it's a very much pleasure to do it at home, and you know what you're eating. So I thank you very much for watching, and if you like the taste, you eat them, make them, and subscribe if you like. I thank you very much again. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.